Oh, hi there. It's Tyler with Cavalcade Auto. And if you've looked outside, seen the weather forecast, it is a 30-degree day today. You know what that means? We're back for another season of Cooking in Cars with Tyler. We're preparing our special treat today. I've already got the oven preheated. Got all our safety precautions in place, our sanitary gloves and masks, so we can prepare this wonderful treat. So you have to stay tuned with us as we go and put this into our chosen oven of the day. See you soon. Hi, welcome back to Cooking in Cars with Tyler. Today's car that we're choosing is a 2015 Dodge Dart SE. It's very nicely equipped, low mileage. It only has 55,335 kilometers on it. It is available, but it's also going to serve as our prop today to cook our meal. And we have chosen to have a wiener roast today. So here we go. We preheated our oven, just sitting out in the 30-degree temperature for a little while here. As you can hear in the background, we've actually got people here to buy cars and not cook food today too. Alright, so we've let this puppy preheat. We don't want to let out the heat, so we gotta be real quick like a normal oven. Alright, there we go. We'll let Mother Nature and the sun do its work. We'll keep checking on this as the day goes on. Keep staying tuned with Cavalcade Auto as we continue more Cooking in Cars with Tyler.